We are
Well, this is a big deal because for the first time ever from Callista Tools, we have a today's special value. It will be the only one of the year. But why that matters to you is because this is how you are going to get salon perfect style every time. You will define your style. You're going to be able to lift, separate. It doesn't matter if you have gorgeous long hair like this, you have a short pixie, whatever your haircut is, your hair type, your hair color, it all is going to look its best with what we are calling our embellish. And you are getting not one, but two, and Maria McCool is here, who brings us this breakthrough line. Hi, Maria.
How are you?
It's so good to
Good
see
to see
you.
Calling.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for great products. Bye-bye.
Oh, thank you.
So now we're seeing someone here with long hair. So we really have run the gamut from very short to medium length, and then the long layers. This is where women tend to say, oh, I can't use a texturizing product. It's going to weigh my hair down.
Right, and it's not true because you just can clap a lot and make the product light. We're just going to go ahead with her long hair. Now, I know with your hair, we just did it so it was piecey, right? And your hair's long, we didn't, but you can also make your hair grow a little bit. Look how as I just scrunch this in, how I'm expanding this hair. So if you're looking to go for some more fullness, you can do that as well. And if you just use that pea-size amount, even though you have twice as much hair, you're going to use that pea-size amount, clap, all depending on the density that you have, and that will give you what exactly you need or what you're looking for with your hair.
It looks amazing. I mean, it's really defined her style. Again, I love these before and afters because you didn't make them in the before look like, you know, this horrible look. I mean, that's it. She looked cute in the before.
Right.
But in the after, her style is defined. It goes from like nice hair to va-va-va-voom, great hair. So whether you have short hair, medium hair, long hair, whether you have, you know, really any hair type, any hair texture, this is how you make the most of your style. More than 30,000 have been ordered just today. You're going to get this for $31.72 on auto delivery. Ask about that, and we'll send it out to you every 4 months. But it's a huge value and a breakthrough product. Hey,
Thank you
Maria, it was
so
so good
much.
to see you.
Thank you so
Congratulations
much.
on your first today's special
Thank
value.
you.
Yeah, this is one worth trying out. And we're going to go, oh, actually, and you're back for a full hour at 1 o'clock, right?
Yes. No,
Oh, 3 o'clock, I'm sorry.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, a full hour, but don't wait to get your today's special value. It's very popular. So now we're going to go over and check in with Courtney. Hey, Courtney.
Hey, Sandra. Hello to everyone. Happy Monday.
Frizz, UV protection.